This is the February Discovered Beauty Box, and there's just a quick little sneak peek for you, but stay tuned and we're going to go through the awesome goodies that are in this box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video I have this. This is the February Discovered Beauty Box. Let's get it out. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It will just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. Here is the box. Unfortunately, you can't purchase this box. You have to order before the 10th of the month to get that month's box. And because I'm just a normal subscriber and pay for my box, I get my box the same time as everybody else, which is after the 10th. But I will pop the link down below in the information box and the comment box. Click that link and it'll get you £3 off your first box. If you sign up now, you will get March's box. Right, so in the box we get a little thank you card, just thanking them for a purchase. We get the edit card with information on all the products that are in here. Oh, and this edit is called Wellbeing Discoveries, so that should definitely be interesting. And there, I've just moved everything to the top, so there's a sneak peek of what we've got. But let's have a proper dig through to see exactly what's in here. Right, so back to the edit card, there's just a little note here, and it just says, it's all about well-being, DBB fam. February marks the season of love, but this February we are loving on ourselves with wellness and well-being. Inside the February edit, you'll find lots of fabulous discoveries to help you focus on your well-being and wellness. So the first item we have is this. So this is by the brand Paper Plane, and bath noodles. That definitely sounds interesting. This has an RRP of £9.95 and it just says, enjoy an uplifting bath or shower with these bath noodles. Simply add to your bathtub or use as a body wash. Receive either tangy Thai, which boasts a lemongrass scent, Singapore spice, which features tea tree and turmeric, or Vietnamese fresh, which showcases peppermint and poppy seed. Each variety contains a natural exfoliant which is packed with natural oils to moisturise and cleanse. So the one I have got, oh, we've got the Singapore spice one. So what was that one? Singapore? Oh, okay, so it's tea tree and the turmeric one. Oh, it's all nicely packaged. I don't wanna disturb it, but we will. These smell gorgeous, and oh my goodness, it does look like noodles. What? Oh yeah, it feels like pasta. That feels bizarre. So it's kind of like waxy. You can just crumble it. Oh my god, that scent is gorgeous. Oh yeah. It's so nice to get something different and very unusual in the box. That's amazing. Second item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Scott's, and it is a harmony candle. This has an RRP of £20. It just says, create the perfect relaxing ambience with top notes of bubbly aldehydes, plum and poppy flower, middle notes of red berry, peony pebbles, water lily and sweet nectarine, and base notes of sweet musk, vanilla bean and geranium. Made with soy wax, it's vegan and cruelty free with approximately 40 hours of burn time. Oh, candles. I am partial to a candle. Oh my god. Oh my god, that smells absolutely gorgeous. This is what it looks like. It's just plain white with a nice pink sticker on there. Yeah, love the look of it and absolutely adore the smell. It smells so good now. I can only imagine when I light that wick what the fragrance is going to be like. Oh yeah. Item in the box we have all these. So I've run out of hands. So these are by the brand Law Originals, and it's a hair care bundle. So we have a shampoo which has an RRP of £18. We have a matching conditioner which also has an RRP of £18. And then we have a Legend hair treatment which is worth £8. It says cleanse and purify your scalp and hair with a unique blend balance of shampoo, of 4 sulfate-free cleansers and 5 softening conditioners, blended with prickly pear to help stimulate hair cell renewal and healthy hair growth, magnesium-rich sea salt for scalp exfoliation, and marine biocultures and sugar beet molasses to help leave hair nourished and moisturised. Condition and restore your hair with a lightweight conditioner formula that's high in natural oils, omega-rich acids and fulvic marine biocultures to protect the hair shaft and scalp from breakage, dehydration and heat stress. Complete your hair care routine, round it off with the triple award-winning Legend hair treatment mask, made to deeply condition, strengthen and improve elasticity whilst adding protection from environmental stressors. Suitable for all hair types, it's cruelty free and vegan. That's what I'm talking about, a matching shampoo and conditioner, a set with a little mask as well. That is so awesome. I am loving that, absolutely loving it. Let's have a look at this little sachet. Is it a sachet? I think it is. Yeah, here it is there. How much do we get in the sachet? It's 30 mils in there. It actually feels quite a lot for 30 mils. Yes, very, very excited to get testing these out. I love trying stuff on my hair. Fourth product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Symbiosis London, and this is Bee Venom and Niacinamide Delight Radiance Restoring Facial Serum. Ugh, that was a tongue twister and a half. And holy crap, this has an RRP of £115. 115. Oh my goodness, it's 30 mils. That's insane. And it just says indulge your skin with this luxurious facial serum. Infused with bee venom to soothe, moisturize, illuminate, tighten and increase radiance, and niacinamide, which aims to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone and weakened skin surface. Apply with palms of the hands to release active ingredients. This is cruelty free. If it's sealed, I'm leaving it sealed. It is. I'm leaving that sealed because I don't want that going off, because I definitely want to use all of this. I want to slap it all on my face and feel the benefits of it. £115. There's no way I would be able to afford this by myself. So that's why I love getting these beauty boxes and doing my unboxings, because I get to try stuff that I wouldn't necessarily be able to afford otherwise. Wow. Right guys, so this is the February Discovered Beauty Box. This box has a value of £188.95. What do you think? Personally, I absolutely freaking love this box. I think it's amazing. Month after month, it's consistently good. And what I absolutely adore about this box is it's not like other beauty boxes on the market. It hasn't got the products that are doing the rounds in the other boxes. So yeah, I mean, we've got a whole hair care set, shampoo, conditioner, and a little mask to go with it. Over the moon about that. That little Symbiosis product there, £115. I can't wait to try that. Really excited. That candle smells absolutely gorgeous. Love getting a little candle in my beauty box. And yeah, the bath noodles, that's so quirky and so different and absolutely awesome to get. So yeah, this definitely gets a huge thumbs up from me. Comment down below, what are your thoughts? Do you currently subscribe to this box? Are you happy with the contents? And if not, is this enough to tempt you into subscribing and getting a box of your own? I have never been disappointed with a box ever since I've joined this. Never ever. But yeah, if you want to subscribe, click that link down below. It'll get you £3 off your first box, which is always good to get a little saving. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.